Hi and welcome to Trackplan. In this video I will discuss our planned maintenance module and how it can be used to create and schedule planned jobs and keep your sites and assets compliant. Navigating to the Planned Maintenance tab on the sidebar will give you a list of all of your planned schedules, the list of all your planned items, whether the schedule is associated to a site, a location or an asset. The planned job list, where jobs can be filtered using many filters along the top of the page. The planned calendar view, either by day, week or month. And the timeline report that can be run by week or month and give you a spreadsheet of all due dates for the next 12 months. Planned schedules can be uploaded on the system using our upload center in the settings area, or created one by one by clicking New Schedule. Check out the link in this video on how to create a schedule, attach multiple sites and assign different users and resources. Once the schedule is created, then we can attach and associate our sites to that schedule. Here we can see that the main office building has been associated to Boiler Check. We can see the assigned user, the resource, the current job number, the current due date and the next due date. Using the pencil icon, all of these can be changed easily. We can click on the job number and it will bring us to the job details page. This will help manage this job, and we can quickly see the job beforehand. We can see that it was job number 47 and completed, and the number of jobs in this schedule. For reports on planned jobs and schedules, all of our grids can be exported to Excel. And in our reports module, we have numerous base reports for jobs and planned maintenance. These can be run, filtered on specific sites or assets, and scheduled to be sent to management. I hope this video was useful to you, and thank you for watching.